If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications. Follow us on social media, and we'll post new videos of vehicles coming in on a daily basis. Right now, I believe you're looking at a 2019 or maybe even a 2020 Mercedes-Benz Metris. It's a good work van. Take a look under the hood. I'm going to confirm the year in a minute when I open the door. So, as you can see, the front end's not too bad on it. The vehicle does start and drive. You need the front bumper, you need the headlights, you need the grille, you need the upper radiator support, radiator and condenser. Hood's damaged also. This fender's damaged also. This headlight. Let's close the hood. Quick walk around. These vans are extremely popular right now because they're small, they're agile. It's not like old school vans where they're big and clunky, hard to maneuver. These are also front wheel drive. They're good in the snow. They're very efficient on gas as well. See more contractors and delivery companies are pivoting to using these types of vans and Ford Transits and other smaller vans. Need a driver's side airbag. Seats are nice. Leatherette, not real leather. We'll throw the rags in with the van. Those are free. You can have them. Doors back is clean. Let's take a look at the side compartment. Plenty of space. Excellent work truck. Good height clearance. Plumbers, contractors, electricians, this would be an excellent work van. Alright. We'll be on the website real soon. Thanks for watching.